Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a line with absolute coordinates. Drawing with absolute coordinates in AutoCAD is one of the most precise ways to create geometry because every point is placed according to an exact position on the coordinate system. Unlike freehand clicking, coordinate-based drafting removes guesswork and ensures mathematical accuracy, which is especially important in engineering, architecture, surveying, and technical design. Absolute coordinates define a point based on its exact location from the origin point 0, 0 inside the AutoCAD coordinate system. Absolute coordinates are measured from the global origin, not from the previous point you clicked. In AutoCAD, the x-axis controls horizontal movement and the y-axis controls vertical movement, so a coordinate like 50, 100 means 50 units along x, 100 units along y from the origin point. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open a drawing workspace. Then select the Line tool. The Line tool creates straight line segments between specified points. When AutoCAD asks for the first point, type the coordinate directly. Write the first coordinate value, then click on comma, which separates the x-coordinate from the y-coordinate. Next, type the y-coordinate, then after that, press Enter. AutoCAD places the first point at that exact coordinate location. Now AutoCAD asks for the next point. The line extends from the first coordinate to the next coordinate you specify. Then you can now type another coordinate for the next point. We use the hash symbol in coordinate workflows, depending on command behavior or drafting settings, but the important concept here is entering another exact coordinate point for the next segment. You repeat the same coordinate entry method for additional line segments. Why this is powerful? Instead of manually estimating positions, every endpoint becomes mathematically accurate. What you just did, you used the coordinate system directly, entered exact point locations, created mathematically accurate line geometry, and drafted using precision-based input. You used numerical positioning instead of visual approximation. Why coordinate drafting is important? Coordinate-based drafting is essential for engineering drawings, survey layouts, architectural plans, and precision technical drafting. Important technical concept. AutoCAD internally uses Cartesian coordinates, meaning every object is positioned mathematically on a coordinate grid. Why this matters? This system allows AutoCAD to maintain precision, scalability, and engineering-level accuracy. To summarize, drawing a line with absolute coordinates in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and selecting the Line tool. When prompted to specify the first point, you type the coordinate directly by entering the x value, adding a comma, and then entering the y value before pressing Enter. AutoCAD places the point at that exact location within the coordinate system. Afterward, additional line points can be entered using the same coordinate method to continue drawing precise line segments based on exact mathematical positions. And that's how to draw a line with absolute coordinates in AutoCAD. The biggest advantage of coordinate drafting is precision, because instead of estimating visually, every point is placed exactly where the math says it should be. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.